Okay. 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 So today this. Okay. Please, anyone, please record this session so those people who are not able to attend today's session, they can at least see the recording. Okay. So please, anyone can, if anyone can record this session, that would be great. Like, I guess in some of my starting sessions has been recorded. So please record this session as well. So it will be beneficial for those guys who are not able to attend the session due to XYZ reasons. Okay, now we were just we had created one collection over here, and we have named it collection as GitHub. Okay, in pets too, we were dealing with pets. In records, we were dealing with users. Just like that, in GitHub, we are dealing with repos, that is repositories. Okay, so here we have created one repository. How to create it? Obviously, to create or add anything, we need a method that is post. Okay, so first of all, just because we are creating repo, so we'll give request name as that. Request name is create repo. Okay, and we have added one method. Okay, that method is post. Okay, now I have to give base URL. Obviously, I have to give some base URL. So from where I can find the API document of this GitHub? Obviously, in API document, all those things are mentioned, base URL endpoints, all those things are mentioned. Okay, so how? Just I just scroll down little. Okay, here I found API. I will right click on it. I will open this link in new tab. This API link I will open in new tab, and then I will navigate to that. Okay, and then I will click on. I will just scroll down a little, and I will click on REST API. In REST API, there is one overview option. In this overview option, we have resources in the REST API. So we have to click on resources in the REST API, and from here we can find the base URL. Okay. Then after copying the base URL, we have to paste it over here in this URL section. Okay. Then what we need? We need endpoints, obviously. So again, I will go to that tab. Okay, I will just scroll down. I will found one repository section over here. Repositories till bottom we have to scroll. Okay, in left side. Okay, uh, and then I will click on this repository section. In repository again, I will click on this repositories, and then I will one repository page will open here. All those things are mentioned, that whether you, if you have to create any repository, if you have to fetch any repository, delete or update any repository. So as of now, I'm just creating one repository for a user, not for organization. So I will find the repository creation for a user. So here I can find create a repository for the authenticated user. So I will click on it, and from here I got to know to create a repository we need one method, that is post. And like basically developer has added this thing in his API document, that if you want to create any repository, you need one method, that is post. Okay, and the endpoints which are being used is the slash user slash repo. Just I'll copy this endpoints and paste it over here. Okay, then obviously I have to give some body. Okay, but here we don't have any body. So what we will do, we will create one repository, like basically in GitHub, how we were creating repository. Here we are able to see the UI of of this application. So suppose I want to do manual testing, I want to create any repository manually, I have to do UI testing here. I want to create one repository, so I will click on new, and then I will just fill all these options like name, description, and public private thing I have to give. And then I have to click on create repository. So from here, just because I'm able to see the UI, I can create one repository. Even if I want to create any repository manually, I can create one repository manually. So here I can find the repository section. Okay. And then I will 401 unauthorized. It means when user is not authorized to access particular application, we will get this status code, that is 401. Now how to get uh, how to get what uh, that token. Okay, now obviously I need some token over here. I need some security, like according to security measures, I need some authorization here. So let's go, I will go how I can find token. I will click on this account settings. Okay, from here I will go click on settings, and then I will click on developer settings, and then I will click on personal access tokens. From here I have to select tokens classes, and then generate new token, and then generate new token classic. Okay, so here if they are asking about password, I will give the password. Okay, okay, and then I can give the token name, and expiration by default it is 30 days. It means after 30 days this particular token will get expired, and it will not work in Postman or anywhere. Okay, in Postman or anywhere. So and then we have to select this repo checkbox, and then we have to click on generate token. We have to click on generate token. One My God. See, I'm not going to do it again. Yesterday, I have repeated almost 4 to 5 times. Literally, yesterday, I have repeated almost 4 to 5 times. Literally, today, I was not going to repeat it, but I thought, like, to start a session, I will repeat what are the things that we learned yesterday.